In this video, you will learn how to compare and contrast the outcomes of mitosis and meiosis. Both mitosis and meiosis are forms of cell division. However, the types of cells that are produced in mitosis and meiosis are quite different from each other. To compare mitosis and meiosis, we are going to draw a table, and we have mitosis on the left and meiosis on the right. To start comparing them, first we have to think about what these types of cell division are actually used for. So if we start with mitosis, we have to think about when do the cells in our body actually carry out mitosis. One process that needs mitosis to happen is growth. Another one that is quite important is repairing and replacing tissue. So if you look at the picture of the fingers, you see that if you have a wound somewhere and it is healing, for the healing process to happen, the cells have to carry out mitosis. Meiosis, on the other hand, is used for sexual reproduction, so the type of reproduction where two parents produce offspring. Mitosis can also be used for a form of reproduction. It is used for asexual reproduction, which is the type of reproduction where only one parent produces offspring. There are not many animals and plants that reproduce asexually, but an example for an animal that can reproduce asexually using mitosis are starfish, and an example for a plant that can reproduce asexually using mitosis is strawberries. Now, in the next step, we have to think about what type of cells in our body actually carry out mitosis or meiosis, and what type of cells are produced. Mitosis produces normal body cells that are diploid, so that have the full amount of chromosomes, which is 46 in humans. And an example for cells that would be produced by mitosis or carry out mitosis are muscle cells or white blood cells, but also, for example, neurons. Meiosis, on the other hand, produces only gametes, also called sex cells, that are haploid, so these cells only have half the amount of chromosomes, which is 23 in humans. So the only cells that are produced by meiosis are egg cells and sperm cells. Now, in the final step, we have to think about the process itself and how many cells are produced, and if these cells are identical or unique. So mitosis produces two cells, and we call the cells that are produced daughter cells. So we have two daughter cells, and they are identical to each other, so they are the same. Meiosis, on the other hand, produces four daughter cells, and they are all unique, so they are all different from each other. And this is all you have to know about comparing the outcomes of mitosis and meiosis.